Hello guys, and welcome to Jerry. Then talk about VRA price prediction, where I see VRA going next in the next few months after the United States announce the tariffs and after the US rates maybe being cut off. Hello guys, welcome to another Jerry with me. Today we talk about veracity VRA, one of my favorite coins, altcoins. You must all remember that all this we're talking about is not financial advice, but all these are altcoins. This can rally throughout the sky, really, but also can plummet to zero. So always remember that. Right now, Veracity has done, I don't think, and I believe a lot of will understand and will support my view, has done a really, really bad run. It has started from around 3rd of December at around 0.0081 cent per coin, which has done all this, the first yellow fair value gap project, retest back, creating a double high right here, and from there go all the way down to reach and close all the biggest, and this is the biggest support holding liquidity area. This is where we don't want to see veracity break down from. This is where we want to see some taking all the orders, taking all the liquidity, taking everything, and from there, with some good news, pump really, really, really hard and bad to the upside potential. Right now, veracity is around 0.0001745 cent per coin. I believe also in veracity, in its POV, in its new technology. I really do believe that veracity can do the difference when we talk about altcoins, and I can see veracity, the first leg being around 0.007, retest back to its previous high. From there, reach the third leg at 0.013 cent per coin, retest back, and my first initial price target would be around 2.5 cent per coin for veracity. I want to see it reach that order block. From there, we can see high as previous all-time high when the whole economy sentiment change throughout all those months coming up. But I can say one thing, that's for sure. You must always take care of your investments and must always be prepared for every case scenario. That's all for now, folks. Write down in the comments, do you still believe in Veracity and VRA? And will you buy more of this bag? Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more. See you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.